This 2025 Highland Ridge OPEN RNAGE 3x390 TBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 43 feet 7 inches in length and features Sleep 7, microwave, Skylight, spare tire kit, LP detector, oven, TV, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, Slideout, awning, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Highland Ridge OPEN RNAGE 3x390 TBS is 14,565 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.